Yo, what is good people? Ben from Lover of Tech, and we are back with another video, and this time again, it's another unboxing, and we finally have the iPhone 13 Pro Max in-house. Better late than ever. But yep, let's get to unboxing it and setting it up and pretty much giving you my initial raw unboxing impressions. So yes, we do have the Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max, Apple's top of the line iPhone out of the four that came out full near enough the end of 2021 into 2022 for their flagship. And again, a big thank you to Vodafone UK for supplying the iPhone 13 Pro Max for testing and review. There will be links in the description below for all the latest deals on the iPhone 13 Pro Max on Vodafone UK. If you've not been here before, their support is absolutely immaculate and unmatched. I really, really appreciate them for getting us in. So yes, we do have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. As much as you've seen all the unboxings before, if you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future videos on the channel, and you will be part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad. I like and love unboxings. Late or not, I'm gonna do them. I like to go through the journey. So yeah, this is it. Now, I've had experience with the iPhone 12 Pro Max from last year. Yeah, let's just say it wasn't my favorite experience. It was the 12 mini that I really enjoyed. But yes, we've got this in 128GB iPhone 13 Pro Max in the Sierra Blue, which is a change from the Pacific Blue. So yeah, this is it. Let's get to unboxing it. Pretty much seeing it all. And again, the slimmer box does mean that there is no charger in the box. So yeah, just remember that. Let's put this to the side. And you've got a couple of stickers. And you've got the ill-fated Lightning to USB-C. Love USB-C, don't love Lightning, which is still the case with iPhones, right? Okay, let's put this to the side. This should be a very, very short unboxing because we know how it is. There it is. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Sierra Blue. Let's give it some of the top down. And I still have to say this, next to Samsung, Apple, and I think maybe Apple ever so slightly, it's probably on par, but I do love the matte finish for the Apple devices, especially the Pro devices. Not a fan of the stainless steel. I wish they used the brushed aluminium finish for the stainless steel. The glossy stainless steel, I don't like it, man. It catches fingerprints. And I know people are gonna say it's gonna live in a case anyway. Let me judge it without it being in a case. But one thing I've noticed off the jump is just how much bigger the camera sensors are from before. I just remember it from the jump that this is much, much larger. So again, in my first impressions, I will put the full specs, but there are improvements to the ultra wide, the zoom. Zoom is 3x up from 2.2 from before. You do have obviously a bigger main sensor, as well as obviously the ultra wide as well, with the focus that goes in there for macro photography. You've got the power button, and I love how Apple does their button placements, right? You've got the silent switch, which absolutely love. Two separate buttons, SIM card tray, but they are adjacent to each other. And it looks like the power button and the volume button have come down a bit lower. And apparently there is a slightly smaller notch as well. Still the same 6.7-inch display. You do have the Lightning port. You do have the grill for the speaker as well as the microphone. And then here at the top is also a stereo speaker at the top. But yeah, this is pretty much it in its entirety. Oh goodness, smudgy, 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 smudgy. Get smudgy quick. Let's wipe this. And we are going to power this on. Boot up, there we go. There's the ill-fated Apple logo. And I've got some of the other big boy handsets in here as well that we're gonna put and chuck this into the gauntlet and really test it out. Yeah, so this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And the biggest thing I'll have to say that I'm excited to see how it feels. I do notice that it is a slightly smaller notch as well. How much of a big difference it makes. The fact that you still can't see your percentage of the battery is one thing. Use mobile connection. is the 120 Hertz Pro Motion Display. Now, Apple's pixel count is 1242. It's still not a true 1440p display. I know people are gonna say it's QHD. It's still based on pixel count, even if you're matching it to the old 2560 by 1440, 16 by 9 aspect ratio displays that you found on phones like the Galaxy S7 Edge. This is still not a true QHD display, let alone a QHD plus display relative to the aspect ratio. But I am happy to see that we do at least have, set this up all later. We do at least now have some form of high refresh rate on here. It's adaptive. It is using the LTPO panel. So it's adaptive, it's 120 Hertz, and it's Apple's version of 120 Hertz and high refresh rate. So yeah, really, really eager to test that out. Okay, so use different, let's go back. Don't use it. Set up later in settings. Don't use, gonna keep prompting you. Literally just wanna get to the home screen. Bang. Keep up to date, not now. That's fine, later. Quick. We wanna make this a quick unboxing for you all because you've seen it all. Definitely dark mode, has to be dark mode, right? Boom, standard. Welcome to iPhone. We're gonna swipe up. There we are. And this is the home screen of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Wow, and I can definitely notice the fluidity. Oh, yeah. Okay, I could notice it. I can instantly notice it. That this 120 Hertz is butter. Turn off True Tone because I dislike True Tone with a passion. Apple, because they're still using the big, well, not big, but it's a smaller notch, but because you've got the different sensors that are in the Face ID module, it has some of the best auto brightness management on any phone. That's one thing I really, really appreciate about the iPhone in that sense, if I'm gonna be giving flowers. Okay, press OK. Automatic brightness is under accessibility, which I never understand why. Yeah, that's there. Wow, the 120 Hertz is working. I can feel it. This is smooth. I like it. Okay, decent first impressions. Allow while using the app, set up later. We don't want photographic styles. Bro, ultra wide, standard, wide, portrait, cinematic video, 4K up to 60 frames a second on all 3 camera sensors, including the selfie. Ooh. Okay, right. So what we're gonna do is right here, right now, we have Pixel 6 Pro. We have Note 20 Ultra, and we have S21 Ultra. Oh, I'm throwing the iPhone 13 Pro Max against these lot, and I think the one we're gonna go for is going to be these two, because by popular demand for sure, I want to do the camera comparison between these two. Lover of textile, if you've not seen it, man, check the playlist for all the camera comparisons I've done. I go in depth as much as possible on video, equally as much as on photo and daylight and low light. I shoot all by myself, so yeah, I try my best to get it all in. So yeah, we're gonna do some comparisons, man. But in the meantime, this is the unboxing for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Watch out for the first impressions video. Watch out for the charging test video. Watch out for the camera comparison. Watch out for the camera comparisons. And then watch out for the full experience review, as well as the general comparisons against the other phones as well. Let me know let me know what you want to see in regards to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, anything else apart from what I've actually mentioned. But apart from that, again, big thank you to Vodafone UK for getting this in. And that is my unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. That is it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, then you know exactly what to do, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one, man. Peace.